Hello children, welcome to the online classes. This is second standard English, lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, happy days always. Happy days always. Already you have studied the lesson. These are the grammar points. Page number 32. Page number 32. These are the grammar points. Pronunciation. How can we spell sound of C? Read aloud the following words from the lesson. Come, cycle. Come, C is there. Cycle, C is there. But the pronunciation is changed here. When we should say the words, the spelling is same, but the sound is change. The letter C in the word C-O-M-E sound like K. Come, K. It should be the sound of K. This is called the hard C sound. Hard C sound. Why? Because it is the sound like K. The C is the letter, but in the word come sounds like K. So this is called the hard C sound. The next one is the first letter C in the word cycle. C-Y-C-L-E sounds like yes. Sigh, it means sigh. Yes, this is called soft C sound. If there will comes a K sound on that word come, it means the letter C, it will comes the sound like K, that is hard C sound. In the word, it should become C, sound like yes, it is soft C sound. You have to understand that one because it is very important. The letters are same, but the sounds, how can we spell, how can we identify, and then how should we pronounce? The sound will comes KRS. Okay, it means hard C sound, soft C sound. Okay, the letter C sounds like hard C. The letter C sounds like hard C. Letter K, if there is a K, it means if there is a C is there, but the sound is, it will comes only K. When it is followed by the vowels A, O and U. When the vowels are there, if there is a vowels A, O, U on that word, it will comes K sound. I hope you all are understood this one. A, O, U are the vowels. In the word, these vowels has come, on that time the sound will K, the letter K sound. For example, C-A-N, after the C, A is there, A is a vowel, so we can spell this one can. The pronounce is also K. When we want to write, on that time only we will write the can, C-A-N, but we want to spell that can. The pronounce is K. We have to understood first one, because there is a O, U after the C. These are the vowels. When these vowels will come after the C, on that time the sound like is hard C. It means letter K. The letter C sounds like soft C. The letter C sounds like soft C. It means yes. The pronounce will come yes. When it is followed by the vowels E and I. See here children, how many vowels are there? Already you know that. 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. But here, when we will pronounce a K sound, on that time after the C, A, O, U, these letters will come. Next, when we will pronounce the S sound, on that time after the C the letters E and I will come. Sometimes consonant Y will be there. I will show you one example. Center, CENTRE. See here children, center. The C is there after the C. After the C, E is there. E is a vowel. If there is a E and I will come, the pronouns will come soft C sound, it is S. Letter S sound will come. Okay? C means soft C sound. It means S. Letter S sound will come from this center. Okay? The next one, PENCIL, in the middle. The C comes in the middle here in this word. After the C, which letter is there? I letter is there. I letter, it is also S. The letter S pronouns will give us this one. Okay? After the C, I is there. If the I and E will the consonants of after the C, we will spell that S means yes. Pencil, S. The pronouns is C is yes. And cyclone, CYCLONE. See here children, the Y after the C, Y is there. Sigh, it means yes will comes. The pronouns is C, yes. Thumb rule, what is that? Except for CI, CE, CY. Listen carefully this one. If there is a CI, CE, CY, C is pronounced as a K with the acceptation of CH. Okay? Remember this one. CI, CE and CY is there and C is pronounced as a K with the acceptation of CH. See here, say these words aloud and circle the correct sound of the letter C. I hope you all are understand this one. After the C, A, O, U is there, that is K. After the C, E and I letter is there, that is none other than Y is there, that is S sound. Okay? And also soft sound, hard sound. Hard C sound, soft C sound. They have given both. We will choose only one. Okay, which one is correct? COST. 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 K. COST, cost. The pronouns is sound like K. So this is hard C. If there is a K sound will come, it is hard C. If there is a S sound will come, that is soft C. Okay? K sound is a hard C. So S sound is a soft C. Okay? Dance. Yes, it is. Soft. Underline this one. Cylinder. C sound. Yes, it means. S sound, soft C. Coat. K sound. Hard. Cub. K sound will also, this one also hard C. Camel, this one also K sound, hard C. Fence, S sound, soft C. Recite, S sound, soft C. Prince, S sound, soft C. Mice, S sound, soft C. Okay, this like we have to identify the which one is hard C, which one is soft C. When we will say that, otherwise when we will pronounce the word, on that time the sounds like K or S. Okay. The next one is compound words. Compound words. Read the following sentence. After breakfast, Mama asked Marjorie to go to the baker. She did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. See here. Breakfast, sunshine. See here, children. After breakfast, Mama asked Marjorie to go to the baker. She did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. The words breakfast and sunshine are the compound words. These are the compound words. Why we call this one this like? Two words are joined to make a compound word. Two words. Break is one word, fast is one word. Cut this one this like. Sun is one, shine is one. Join these words, you get one compound word. Break, fast, sunshine. Sunshine. Compound words are made by joining two words. The meaning of the compound words is usually different from the two words used to create it. Okay? Turn the page. They have given pictures. Then the names also. How it will comes only one picture? How can we find out? Okay? Can we write this like only? Yes. I will write here. You have to copy this one. S-U-N, sun. The picture is changed. Flower. The picture is changed. Together these sunflower. Sun is changed. Flower is changed. But these words made by joining two words, compound word. It means sunflower. Okay? Jelly. Fish. These are the two words and two pictures. Make only one another picture, then another meaning of the word. Jellyfish. This is the rain, this is the bow. Join these two words, it will come only one word and another picture, rainbow. Butter and fly. This is the butter picture, this is the fly, but join these words, you get one more picture, then one more meaning of the word butterfly. The next one is tooth. Brush. This is a tooth, this is the painting brush, but we will get here toothbrush. The different things, different words gives us a different thing and different meaning of the word. Another word. Here foot is there, ball is there. Okay? We will get one more picture and one more meaning of the word. Football. Okay? These are the compound words. Next one. See here, children. Masculine gender and feminine gender. How should we identify the masculine it is and feminine it is? One morning, Marjorie mother called out to her a number of times to wake up her. See here in this sentence they have given mother. That is the key word. You have to underline that one. Mother. Okay. In this sentence, mother is a feminine gender noun. Feminine gender. How can we identify? The masculine gender noun for mother is father. It means a noun that refers to a male. A noun that refers to a male is a masculine gender noun. For example, brother, grandfather, father, uncle, brother, so on. A noun that refers to a female is a feminine gender noun. Like sister, mother, grandmother, auntie. Okay? These are the feminine gender. Means a noun that refers a male Male means masculine gender, female means feminine gender. You have to understand in this easy way. Okay. The next one is match the following. Match the masculine gender nouns with their respective feminine gender nouns. I will show you one by one. Masculine left side is there, feminine right side is there. First one is man is there. Man, masculine. The feminine is woman. Woman means the first one is woman because masculine. The masculine gender noun for man is woman. The masculine gender boy for boy is girl. The masculine gender nephew is nice. The masculine gender poet is poetess. The masculine gender son is daughter. Okay. These are the feminines, these are the masculines. Means the noun that refers to male is masculine, the noun that refers to female is feminine. Okay. In this sentence, underline the masculine genders noun and circle the feminine genders noun. One has been done for you. The king and his queen were happy in their kingdom. See here, underline the masculine. Which one is male, you have to underline. Which one is female, you have to circle that word. They have done one sentence. I will show you, you have to do that like only. Which I have underlined, which I have circled, you have to that like, you have to underline and circle. Neha's grandfather. Grandfather is a masculine, so you have to underline this word. Loves the cakes her grandmother bakes. Grandmother is a feminine, circle that word. I have an older brother. Brother is a masculine, underline this one. And a baby sister. Sister is a feminine, circle it. My aunt lives with her nephew. Aunt is a feminine, so circle it. Nephew is a masculine, underline this one. The husband and wife were very happy to win the prize. Husband is a masculine, underline this one. Wife is a feminine, circle this one. The princess and the prince came to the court. Princess is a feminine, so you have to circle this word. Prince is a masculine, underline this word. I went to the beach with my mother, father and uncle. Mother is a feminine, circle it. Father and uncle are the masculine, so you have to underline those words. The last one is the bridge. The bride and the bridegroom danced the whole evening. Bride is a woman, means feminine it is. Feminine gender, this one bride. Bridegroom is a masculine, so you have to underline. Okay, children. What is mean by masculine and feminine? A noun that refers to male is a masculine gender. A noun that refers to a female is a feminine gender. Then the words. The meaning of the compound word is usually different from the two words used to create one word. Compound words are made by joining two words. Okay, children. Today we have studied about the how can we spell. It means pronounce the sound of K and sound of S. Okay. C sound, where we have to get the K sound and S sound. Next one, compound words. Then masculine gender and feminine gender. Okay, children. In the next period, we will study exclamation marks. Exclamation mark. how can we, where we have to write, how can we identify which one is exclamation mark. Okay, next period I will teach you this one. Today you have to write these, circle these, underline these words and match the following you have to do. Okay, write true or false also. I hope you all are understood this chapter. Okay children, take care.